Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where I'll show you how to convert a chart into a picture in Excel. In our example, we have a company's revenues over time. We want to show this in a bar chart. However, we want it to be formatted as a picture instead of a chart. This may be especially useful if you're copy-pasting the chart to a Word report and don't want it to update every time you update the inputs. Let's start by illustrating the data in a bar chart. To do this, select the data, go into the Insert tab, and select the bar chart icon. We're then going to right-click the chart, click Select Data, remove the year, and add the years to the horizontal axis. We're going to remove the legend, as well as the title, and finally we're going to adjust the size of the chart so that it fits in cell C9. Adjusting the size of the chart is important because later on we're going to refer to cell C9, and this method will only work if the chart fits inside the cell. So make sure not to forget this step. Now that our bar chart is ready, we're going to use this formula here to create a named range. We will use this to refer to the charts later on. Here we're using the indirect formula to refer to the contents within cell C9, which contains the charts. Let's go to the Name Manager, select New Name, and we'll call this Convert to Picture. And let's paste the formula here. Next, we'll insert a picture where we'll place our chart. This can be any picture you like. Let's go into the Insert tab, select Pictures, and go to Stock Images. Now we'll select the picture, and in the Formula tab, type Convert to Picture. As you can see, this now shows the charts in picture format. If we make any edits to the charts, such as removing the grid lines, this is reflected automatically in the picture as well. Let's now open a Word document and paste both the chart and the picture and assess the impact if we change the revenue figures. Therefore, we've got the chart at the top and the picture at the bottom. And now if we changed the revenue figures, let's say we changed the 2016 figure to a really different figure like 0, you can see that the chart updates, however the picture doesn't, even though it updates in the Excel workbook. Therefore, this is really useful if you want the picture to remain static in your document. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for weekly Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.